Hey everyone, welcome back with JMT. I've got this 96 Honda Acme in for service. It's a crank no start situation. We're not getting fuel to the carburetor. Um, so initially, the problem began where he backed into his driveway, it died on him, and would not start back. And hasn't started back since. Brand new OEM fuel pump and fuel filter. Rebuilt the carburetor. He put a primer bowl on the gas line up by the carburetor and was getting fuel up to the carburetor through the primer bowl. So now the filters go okay and the line doesn't have any obstructions inside it. So I checked the fuse. Fuse is good, but no power at the fuel pump. So I made one call to figure out where that relay was, because it's been a very long time since I tore into one of these. And it's actually behind the glove compartment. Pull the glove compartment out, and you have this here is going to be mounted, sitting just like this. It's going to be secured by this bracket, and this is your culprit. That is your fuel relay on the Ha4 Honda. The reason I know it's not working because the fuse was good, and all you have to do is put your ear down here in a very quiet setting. Put your ear down by the glove compartment, turn the key to the on position. If you do not hear a click, that's how you know that relay is not working. You should hear a click when you turn that ignition on. When you turn it off, turn it back on, you should hear it click. It's not clicking. So that is most definitely what's going on with the no fuel problem that we have going to the carburetor. Brand new OEM pump that's unplugged. Brand new fuel filter. Something that simple can cause such an issue. And it's annoying that they put it over there and kind of hid it out of the way. And it's not labeled either. So that's something to always check on if you're not getting fuel to your carburetor. Unplug the fuel pump, put a test light on it, see if you're getting juice to it. If you're not getting any juice to it, make sure your fuse is good. Fuse is good. Check on your relay in whatever order you want to do it. Pretty interesting truck. This is a AC all-wheel drive 5-speed dump truck. So it's pretty well equipped. And that dump system looks aftermarket, but that's just how Honda did it, because that's the only option they had with how the bed is molded to the unibody and the cab. If you look right here, that's where, right here's where the hinge would be, and there's one right there, there's one up there. That's where your bedside hinges would be. This one was never equipped with hinges. So this is a factory job. That's how they did it. That's probably how they still do it, honestly, because they're still molded the same way. But anyway, he rebuilt the carburetor, did some other stuff to it, and never did move on with the relay to see how it was, if it was working or not. So we got that figured out. Waiting on that relay to come in. It is $100 relay, just over $100. So if it's not working, that's a $100 fix. If you're looking for tires, 12-inch tires, a customer had found these. $155 ADR12. Appreciate you guys watching. Check out our description, all the links we have in there, all of our social medias. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. And we're going to keep more of these coming. So I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.